In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete interfaces in Airtable. We'll walk through the process slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, and you'll feel confident cleaning up any old or unused interfaces in your Airtable base. First, open your browser and go to your Airtable dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual details, and you'll land on the main workspace view. From here, choose the base that contains the interface you want to remove. It's important to make sure you're in the correct base, because the interfaces you see are specific to each one. Once your base is open, look towards the top of the page for the interfaces option. Depending on your layout and screen size, this might appear as a tab or a button near your views. Click on interfaces, and Airtable will switch from the data grid or views area into the interface section for that base. Now you should see a list or grid of interfaces that have been created for this base. Take a moment to identify the exact interface you want to delete. It's a good idea to double check the name and maybe quickly open it to confirm it's the right one, especially if you have multiple similar interfaces. When you've found the correct interface, move your mouse over it and hover your cursor on top of its tile or row. As you hover, a small menu icon with 3 vertical dots will appear, usually in one of the corners of that interface card. This icon is often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. A small drop-down menu will open, showing several options related to managing that interface. Among these options, look for the one labeled Delete. This is the option that will remove the interface from your base. Click on Delete. Airtable may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this interface, because this action can't be undone. Take a second to be absolutely sure you've selected the right one, then confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, the interface will disappear from the list. That's it. You've successfully deleted an interface in Airtable. If you have more interfaces to clean up, just repeat the same process. Open interfaces, hover over the one you no longer need,